Radio gangs, time for our second domain prize. At stake, $10,000, $5,000 in cash and $5,000 in domain marketing. And then working its way up to the ultimate prize at the end of the series of that all-important domain cover. Don't we all want that?
Oh, yeah, yes.
I just want to say how proud I am of all of you this week. We've had so much learning and so much knowledge coming in, and I really can see that coming into play in your rooms. Being brave, can see a lot of colour coming in. Just remember to only have one hero in every room and to consolidate your style.
So, in terms of who's won the domain prize this week, the winning couple have really managed to push the envelope while still really, I think, appeal to a buyer out in the market space. So for the winner for this week, for the domain prize, is Bianca and Carla.
Yes, Scotty, we won!
Well done, everybody.
Nailing it.
What a day. Now we just need our apartment.
Was it a tight race, Alice?
It was indeed. Now, the runner-up this week is Norm and Jess on 7. You've delivered a room that is really impactful and I think has a real flourish to it.
Yeah.
The rest of the scores were all 6 points each.
Which means Bianca and Carla are the front runners on 15.5. Norm and Jess hot on their heels with 15. Hayden and Sarah on 12.5. And Kerry and Spence and Courtney and Hans are tied in last place with 12.
Alice from Domain, you need to throw us a bone.
All right, well, they're all culminating up to that one ultimate domain prize, which is, of course, the cover.
The cover, we all want it. OK, back to work. See you later.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I have to be absolutely slammed by Scotty and Alice. We came second. That, to me, was the biggest surprise of all.
Oh, God. There's something rigged about that. I'm going to be blatantly honest. There's something.
We think it's rigged towards the
penthouses.
Penthouses.
Penthouse. Why wouldn't ya?